Here are some distinguishable features of parrots. 1. Colorful plumage. Parrots are known for their vibrant and diverse plumage. They come in a wide range of colors, including bright greens, blues, yellows, reds, and more. This colorful appearance helps them blend into their natural habitats or attract mates. 2. Strong, curved beak. Parrots have a strong, hooked beak that is adapted for cracking open nuts, seeds, and fruits. Their beaks are also used for climbing, manipulating objects, and preening their feathers. 3. Zygodactyl feet. Parrots have unique feet with 4 toes, 2 pointing forward and 2 pointing backward. This arrangement, known as zygodactyl, provides them with a strong grip and dexterity. It allows them to perch securely on branches and manipulate objects with their feet. 4. Intelligent and social behavior. Parrots are highly intelligent birds and known for their ability to mimic sounds and human speech. They are also social creatures, often forming strong bonds with their human caregivers or fellow parrots. Their intelligence and social nature make them popular pets. 5. Strong flying abilities. Parrots have strong wings and are excellent flyers. They can fly long distances, maneuver through dense forests, and even perform acrobatic aerial displays. Their wingspan and flight capabilities vary among different species. 6. Cerebral cortex. Parrots have a relatively large cerebral cortex compared to other bird species. This region of the brain is associated with higher-level cognitive functions, such as problem-solving, learning, and communication. 7. Long lifespan. Parrots are known for their long lifespans compared to many other bird species. Some parrot species can live for several decades, with some individuals even reaching ages of 60 to 80 years or more. These are just a few of the many unique features that make parrots easily distinguishable and fascinating creatures.